So I unfortunately fractured my toe and needed this KneeRover knee scooter because I was going on a trip with a lot of walking with my son. So this is a fairly comfortable scooter. When you set it up, the proper height for your arms should be a 28 to 30 degree angle. It shouldn't be too low and it shouldn't be too high, so just set it up correctly that way so you can easily hold it and press the brakes without getting tired. And then the height for your knee should be right where your knee bends, so you're standing straight with your other foot and just bent at your knee. Now, I gotta give you a warning though. Last time I used a regular scooter, I was young and I was agile, and this time I am not used to putting so much weight on my knee. So my knee did get quite sore after extended use, but I think if you pace yourself and use it on good flat surface, this can be really helpful in getting around. So I am 5'2", and right now it's currently set on the lowest height possible. So if you're shorter than that, I think this one would be too tall for you. The tires on this are strong and it turns very easily, which I love. This also folds for easy storage and transportation, and you can see it doesn't go all the way down, but it does fit regular trunks in the car. I did not have a problem with it. It's not too heavy to lift, and the folding and unfolding goes by this little metal piece over here on the bottom. At first, it took me a little bit to figure it out, but basically to push it back into place, you would just have to move it to the side, and the same for when you actually want to unfold it, you just move it to the side, snap it in, and then tighten it to stay in place. The basket is also removable for if you want to store it, and the basket is also very easy to put in and out as well. I did get the KneeRover's padded cushion to add extra support for my knee that will be on the tight surface. Actually, it ended up being a little bit too tall for me, and that's just because the KneeRover would not go down anymore. But this is how you put it on. So you just stretch the sides. It has the two rubbers that keep it in place, and you just fold it over the seat. And honestly, it's memory foam. It's really comfortable. And so if you're a little bit taller than me, or if you get a little bit of a shorter KneeRover, oh, this is just super for the knee. And I highly recommend getting this one if you're going to get any KneeRover product which would fit this. Overall, a really good, strong, and solid brand of knee scooter. I would highly recommend getting a KneeRover if you're in need, and the padded cushion as well.